Hi, this is Fisher from Circuit Board Medics, and today we're going to talk about the 2015 to 2018 Audi Driver Assist camera. If you drive an Audi and you're dealing with problems or warnings with cruise control or lane assist, you're not alone and it can be frustrating. In this video, we're going to be diving into the Driver Assist camera and what symptoms to watch out for and the best way to get your Audi back up and driving like it should. These Audi camera modules were used across a wide range of models and are known for failing over time. When that happens, you may see error messages for adaptive cruise control or experience malfunctions in the lane departure system. Both are clear signs of a failing driver assist camera. This isn't something to ignore, as these features are part of your Audi's core safety systems and play a crucial role in keeping you safe on the road. Unfortunately, getting the module replaced and programmed can be a costly endeavor, as the camera itself is quite expensive and often needs to be both programmed and calibrated professionally. Thankfully, we've developed a repair service to address the root cause of the failure that will save you hundreds of dollars and get you back up and running quickly. We fully rebuild the module to not only fix your current problems, but also prevent any future issues. We complete these repairs in our state-of-the-art remanufacturing facility. Circuit Board Medics is fully equipped to address all kinds of PCB repair, including wire bonding and BGA rework. We combine advanced machinery with hands-on expertise to rebuild and test electronics with great precision. All you need to do is ship the module to us, and we'll repair it in one business day and ship it back to you, complete with a 1-year warranty. All your vehicle data is retained, so no programming is required. If you're ready to have your Audi camera module repaired, you can visit us at circuitboardmedics.com or give us a call at 800-547-2049, and we look forward to serving you.